ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ DSV ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. The first distance is known as a Euclidean distance. The distance between the 2 points is known as a Euclidean distance, and also use it to measure the shortest line between the 2 points. And it is mainly used in some of the applications such as known as clustering algorithms to cluster the points, and some of the image processing, like in our AI generation we are using the image processing, and biometrics used in DNA identifications, etc., and to check the efficiency through a computational efficiency. Used for calculating the time between the two distance points. Now let us take a simple example, a point 1, 2 and a point B 3, 4. These are the simple values that I taken to solve a problem. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಡಿಯನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. mod of x minus y whole to the square summation of I is equal to n, I is equal to 1 bracket xi minus yi whole square. By this equation we can solve the above taken points through square of 1 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square is equal to 2 root 2. The final answer is the distance between the given 2 points is 2 root 2. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2